Hello everyone, welcome to Dandan Chinese. I'm Dandan. So today I'm going to introduce to you about how the ancient Chinese people invented the Chinese character at the first place. Basically, there are 4 categories of Chinese characters. If you know how they were formed, it's definitely gonna help you to remember them. So, if you're interested, let's start.
象形字 If you want to know what do Chinese characters come from, the pictographic characters can tell you all, because ancient Chinese characters were pictographic, outlining the rough shape of things with simple lines. For example, 人 云 木 指示字 Since many things can hardly be drawn out in pictures, for they may be abstract in meaning or just part of a picture. So the ancient Chinese people used abstract symbols to indicate the meaning. For example, 上 下 四 会意字 Since we already knew that the pictographic characters were invented to represent concrete things, but how to express an abstract concept? Ancient Chinese people were so clever as to work out the idea of putting 2 or more pictographic characters side by side to describe an action, a process, or something abstract. For example, 手 目 看 女 子 好 日 月 明 形声字 Even though Chinese is not a phonetic language, one component of the characters with 2 components can give indication to the sound, referred to as the phonetic side, while the other conveys the meaning, termed the meaning side. For example, 妈 马爸爸
Okay, if you're interested in learning Chinese characters, you can join my Chinese character lesson. Each lesson, I'm going to teach you one of the most commonly used Chinese characters, which is found difficulty to be memorized. I'll teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, how to use it, of course, how to memorize it. And you can subscribe my channel because I'm gonna update this lesson every week. I'll see you next time. Bye!